In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Adobe fonts to Elementor. To begin, first head over to the Adobe Fonts website. Once you're there, use the search box to type in the name of the font that you would like to use in your WordPress Elementor website. When the font appears, click on it to open its font page. On the right-hand side of your screen, you will see the option Add to Web Project. Simply click on this option. After doing that, you can select the specific versions of the font that you would like to import into WordPress. Once you've made your selections, click on this arrow over here and then choose Create a New Project. You'll now be asked to name your project, and you can choose any name you like. It can be the name of the font itself or any other title you prefer. Once you've named the project, click on the Create button. After that, click on the Edit Project option over here. You will then see the project that you just created, and here you will find the project ID. Simply copy this project ID from here. Next, head over to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand side menu, hover your mouse over Elementor and then click on the Settings option. Once you're inside the Settings page, switch to the Integrations section. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Adobe Fonts Type Kit. In this section, you will see a box for entering your project ID. Paste the project ID that you copied earlier into this box, and then click on the option to Sync Project. After syncing, open the Elementor editor on the page of your website where you want to use this font. Select any heading or text box where you would like to apply the font. Once selected, switch to the Styles section, and in front of Typography, click on this pencil icon. From here, open the Family drop-down menu. Under the Adobe Fonts section, you'll find the font that you imported. Simply click on it and it will be applied to your text successfully. This is how you can easily add Adobe fonts to Elementor.